My peeps, I'm going to do some stew peas today. So this is a mixture of pig's tail. This is the cured one and this is the uncured one. This is just the salted one. This is the red one, but they are both salt. Not much salt because we are not in Jamaica. Jamaica pig's tail are the better one. Salt more where you have to boil out a long while, but this one you can't boil it too much because it's going to get fresh. So you have to just scarl it out a bit. I'm going to use my lemon. So I'm going to use some vinegar now. This is it, guys. So I'm going to boil it a bit, not much. We don't want to get rid of the salt. It have to have a little salt in it to give the kick in it. This is my red peas that I'm going to use to cook the stew peas. So this is the water that is soaking, so you don't throw away the water. You're going to use the same water to cook your stew peas. So I'm going to put it in my pressure cooker. I'm just going to put it in on my pig's tail. I think it's a lot, guys, but it's better too much than little. My garlic. This is my pimento. So now, guys, I'm going to put it on the stove and then I'll come back to you when it's finished. So now I'm going to do my seasoning and put in some spinners with some coconut milk. Guys, I'll just put in my spring onion, some carrots, some hot pepper, thyme, and some more garlic. I'm going to put in my coconut milk now and then put in some spinners. Guys, I'm going to put in my coconut milk now. This is my spinners I'm going to make. I'm not going to use any salt in it because, as you know, the pig's tail already have salt in it, so that's okay. This is it, guys. So I'm going to put it in now. Let me give my pot a stir again, guys. Look at it, guys. This is my chicken cube. So I'm going to put one, my garlic powder, my lemon powder, and my chicken spice. Not a lot, guys. Remember, the pig's tail. And as you can see, you see I don't put any salt in it. It's just going to cook down now. It smells good, it tastes good, and it looks good. So this is it, guys. I'm washing my rice now. So I'm going to do some rice for the stew peas. To wash it to get the starch off. We're going to wash it about 3 times, guys. And then you take a fork or finger. This is it, guys. Above the rice. You can even use your finger. And you see where it reach, guys? Now, I'm going to put some scallion and thyme. I'm not going to put any salt in it because, as you know, the pig's tail have salt already. Guys, this is my rice. Still drying out, but this is my rice. Give it a bit more time, guys.